Minister Narendra Modi held talks with US President Joe Biden at the White House on Thursday. The two leaders reportedly discussed a wide range of issues of mutual and global interests aimed at further boosting the Indo-US strategic relations in areas like defense, space, clean energy and critical technologies. Narendra Modi held the meeting with Biden in the Oval Office of the White House before holding delegation-level talks. In his initial remarks, Prime Minister Narendra Modi told Biden that the president's commitment to the ties between the two countries has prompted India to take bold and audacious measures. He also described strong people-to-people ties as the real engine of the India-USA relationship. The Indian premier referred to the energetic diaspora crowd in the White House to claim that a roar was heard about the connection between the two democracies. PM Modi said, and I quote, "Today, India and the US are walking shoulder to shoulder from the depths of the ocean to heights of the sky, from ancient culture to artificial intelligence." This is the second interaction between the two leaders within 24 hours. President Joe Biden and First Lady Jill Biden hosted Prime Minister Narendra Modi for an intimate dinner at the White House a day earlier, during which they discussed a range of issues, exchanged gifts, and enjoyed a musical tribute to the regions of India. The second day of Modi's US visit began with President Joe Biden and First Lady Jill Biden greeting him for the official arrival ceremony on the South Lawn. The national anthems of the two nations were played along with a 21-gun salute to the visiting leader. In his remarks at the welcome ceremony, Modi said that he will soon hold talks with the president and discuss regional and global issues. The Indian Prime Minister expressed confidence, saying, and I quote, "I am sure our talks will be positive." He said that India and US are committed to working together for global good and peace, stability and prosperity. President Biden described the relationship between the US and India as one of the most defining relationships in the 21st century.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.